Here's a tool I made yesterday out of 2 paint stirrers and a 1/2 inch thick block of wood. I glued it together and held it with these clamps overnight, so it's dry now and ready to be used. I'll show you what it's for. It's got a offset built into it of, let's see if you can see that, 3/4 of an inch. And so I'll show you what that's gonna do for me. So here's a 2x4. This is from the existing construction. It's from the 1960s. You can tell they're a little different. They're squared off. The edges are hard and squared. The newer 2x4s are rounded over. But I'll show you what this scribing tool will do for me here. If I can go along the side of the 2x4 and put a pencil here, I can scribe a center line right down the 2x4. And the reason I want to do that, I'll show you back over here. Come around to the side of the wall here. I trimmed the wall away purposely on the side you can see a 2x4 back in here behind the wall. I cut it here so I could, because I wanted to cut exactly right along the center of the of this 2x4 back here, but I couldn't tell exactly where it is. So now that I've got this wall cut like that, I can slide my tool in here behind the wall, and this will slide along, this surface here will slide along the 2x4 that's back there, and I can just put my pencil here and ride that along and scribe and get a very accurate center line for where the 2x4 is. So now I can just continue this line all the way up the wall and come back and cut that dead center on this 2x4, so when I attach another panel of drywall, I'll have a place to anchor both edges.